Hi everyone. I think everyone missed my topics. I don't have too many subscribers, so if you like the videos, please subscribe. And I will go on with the new chapter about AI. It's very important because this video is for all the people, whether in tech or not in tech, but it covers like topics that will help everyone to understand AI better, who hasn't dived in yet, to have a general understanding, what is AI at all, the evolution of AI, like what is ANI, AGI, and ASI, and when anyone hears the term artificial intelligence, what comes to your mind? Like you imagine um, I guess Arnold Schwarzenegger, yeah, like futuristic films, robots, etc., etc. Yes, but you have already lived in the era of AI. It started long ago. Just the difference is that we faced more of artificial narrow intelligence, and I will explain what it is now. Like now, you already know what everyone uses like ChatGPT. Like everyone knows what is a robot. Whether you dealt with it, you saw in many tech events. You may have seen many movies with robots. Yes, but maybe also you read lots of fiction or science fiction and saw lots of robot things starting from our childhood, like Wizard of Oz, yeah, and lots of films that cover these topics. But the truth is, like AI is much broader than any single application that you can imagine, from movies or books. And before we talk about ChatGPT, large language models, LLMs, or AI agents, it is very helpful to understand the bigger picture. Today, AI is commonly discussed in three levels of capability: artificial narrow intelligence, ANI, artificial general intelligence, AGI, and artificial superintelligence, ASI. So let's go one by one and I will explain about each of them. Artificial narrow intelligence (ANI). It is AI we have today already. We had for years. Imagine like you already used your Google Maps, yes, to find the fastest route. Or in some countries we use Yandex or Bolt for navigation. Yeah, taxi services use them. And we know Netflix recommends movies to us, and whoever loves reading books, we know Goodreads, yeah, and we know Amazon Books. Personally, I was Amazon Books active user, and recently have became more of a Goodreads fan and Webtoon fan. But yeah, all of these systems, they recommend us something. Like even bank applications, when you have in your phones, everybody has bank applications. They detect suspicious transactions, and your phone recognizes, yes, your face, or like even the touch screen, etc., etc., to unlock the application, any application. These systems can outperform human in these specific tasks. But here's the catch: they don't usually understand the word like we all do. They can't suddenly decide to become doctors, engineers, musicians without being redesigned and getting acquainted to these tasks and retrained to be able to do these kinds of tasks. They're specialists for narrow parts of each in their sphere, like each in their own activity. They do their best, but they are not very smart yet. So every AI tool you use today falls into this category till today. even the ChatGPT, yeah. But let's go on and talk about what is artificial general intelligence. Next step that researchers take is artificial general intelligence, AGI. And later on, I will talk about agents and how agents will bring us to this AGI phase. And they are the first step that is going to do this for us. Imagine an AI that could learn and perform like almost any intellectual task that any human being can. Like not just writing something, not just coding, not just analyzing data, almost anything. And AGI could switch from like helping you to design a website, product roadmaps, to solving physics problem, like be able to fix a software, learn a new language, teach mathematics to your children, all without like needing a completely different system for each task. In other words, it wouldn't just be good at one thing. The AGI will be good at anything. It could be adaptable, just like people are, like any person has large set, like skill set in different parts of life and career. And but have we reached AGI yet? Some of you may resonate and say like, oh, but ChatGPT knows many things from many parts, but it's not the same thing. It knows many things, but when it doesn't know something beforehand about you and what you taught him, it can't yet perform like a human and learn by itself. So not yet. Some experts believe like that we are getting closer to that age. Others think like that there are still many years or even decades away. The honest answer is that nobody knows because like most of us didn't guess this fast-paced movement in information technologies like 2 years ago, and now we also can't predict what is going to happen. My own prediction is like 3 years, but let's see. Um, Next, let's talk about what is artificial superintelligence. This is my favorite topic. Like then, this idea like sparks like and gets lots of debates about whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, because artificial superintelligence, it means that AI can't perform like a human, but it will surpass us humans in virtually every intellectual field. Like, imagine even humans, like if someone is like clever, very clever, they start disobeying like system, etc. Yes. And some people say that if AI surpasses human intelligence, one day ASI will understand that like why would I serve these people, um, but later on I will talk about like laws of robotics, which is very funny part from like many futuristic movies and books. Like it's a codex for all the robots, like very interesting. But let's go on ASI, artificial superintelligence. Like this would be an AI that surpasses humans. So in science, medicine, engineering, business, research, problem solving, management, creativity, even creativity. Instead of humans teaching AI, like AI might become capable of making its own discoveries, like winning a Nobel Prize for it, and making like discoveries in science that humans haven't imagined yet. Imagine this, it sounds exciting, yes. It also raises important questions like safety, ethics, and how we should develop increasingly capable AI systems. Uh, why safety? Because we humans, most of us have empathy. I will say all of us, most of us have empathy. AI systems, who knows, may lack it. But some people even say that there can be some mechanisms where you can teach AI empathy. I don't know. I don't think so, to be honest. But let's see. I even imagine like several interesting theories how it could happen that AI has empathy. But I won't talk about that because it is my secret. Okay, so the important thing to remember is that artificial superintelligence doesn't exist as well. Like artificial generally, intelligence doesn't exist too. So ASI is the next step after the next step. So it doesn't exist yet. It remains a theoretical concept that researchers and technology leaders, all of them continue to discuss. So where does ChatGPT fit in all of this? Like, because everyone uses it, I decided to bring it up. Like, ChatGPT is just an example of artificial narrow intelligence. It's incredibly capable itself, and but it is still designed around a specific sets of abilities and performs on anything that it already learned. It can generate text, answer questions, write code, summarize some documents that you give to it, and help with many language-based tasks. That doesn't mean it truly understands the words or things like a human. It's an advanced AI system built for a particular class of problems. Why does this matter? Understanding these three levels helps you separate today's reality from tomorrow's possibilities. Like when someone says AI is going to replace everyone, ask yourself, are they talking about today's AI, future AGI, or hypothetical superintelligence? Because they are very different conversations. And understanding the difference is like the first step to understand the AI itself. And in the next video, we'll zoom in the technology behind tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and many others. We'll talk about large language models. We'll answer the question you have probably heard dozens of times in various videos, but I'll try to explain it in human level, like easy way. What exactly is LLM and how does it like generate human-like responses? And if you're curious about AI, but don't want to use like unnecessary jargon, subscribe and join me for this series, and we'll learn it together. I'll help you on this journey to understand all of it, one concept at a time, of course. Super Girl Charlie in Tech is with you, and I wish you all have a good day. Bye bye.